Hi everyone. Welcome. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of it's Tuesday, December the 1st, 2020. New month, new Sudokus. Alright. Today we have here only one a regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also an extra additional with extra Sudokus, and I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. So prepare for those Sudokus, but first I will solve this one. This one is a medium Sudoku, a number 19501. All right, and before I start, I always count the printed digits so I can compare the difficulty level with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. The 1 star has 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24. So let me count this medium Sudoku. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is 20, plus 2, 22, plus 4 is equal to 26 printed digits. So if you compare, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. We have an 8 in this column, an 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for an 8 should be there. And in this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in one of those 2 boxes, we have an 8 in the last row. In a row above, we have an 8 over there. So in that row, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 7 and 5. Let me mark those for you because I cannot fill this right away. I mark them for you so you can follow it easier. All right. Let me see. How about the middle column for missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about Let me see. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this third column, 5 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for a 5 should be there. And now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 7. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. All right. All right. And then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for a 6 should be there. Then we have a pair. Those 2 dots are reserved for the 8. Can you remember a minute ago? The 8s. Those 2 numbers. This number goes together with the 2 because we have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in those 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Alright, so we have a 2 here and a 2 there. So those 2 boxes, we have a pair. I know what numbers these are. Do you remember? The 7 are missing, the 4 is missing. The numbers 7, 4, and 9 are missing. Yes. 7, 4, 9. That means those other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. And then. All right. Let me see. 6. So here we need a 6. Yes, in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there in the last column. Well, we have another 6 there. So no 6 there. So the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. We see there 4. No 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. And then we go to the number 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes here. 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. 9 in this column, the first column. 9 in the second column. So in the column next, the only place for a 9 should be there. Then 9, 7, 4. Alright. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then let me see. How about these 2 numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means 1 number left in the first row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those for you. 7 and 3. That means I need a 4 in the third column. 7, 3, and 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 7 and 3 are missing now in the third column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 3, and the 7 are missing. We see here 1, we see here 3. Correction, 3. 1 and a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Here we have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 7 and 8. We have there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 8. 2 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Oh, wait. We have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square, the 2 and the 9. Well, we have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 9 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7 we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And the last 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 3 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. A great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.